Hi there, Fabio Prada, Area 4 Industries. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director. We are here at ISE introducing for the first time a new family of electric chain hoist, again for the touring entertainment business. The brand is EXE Technology. EXE Technology is a brand that already 10 years in the market. Here we have the new born into the family in the all-in-one family. EXE stands for EXE Smart. What is all about? As you can see, this is a standard 500 kg chain hoist, which operates like all 4 meter per minute chain hoist. All right. So I select the standard up and down. All the rigger in the world knows very well what I'm talking about. What is new instead in this system? We have been able to build into the chain hoist body an inverter. The inverter allows the chain hoist just not to operate only at 4 meter per minute, but we can select from 0.5 meter per minute, which as you can see is extremely low and accurate, up to 10 meter per minute. So is the first fixed speed chain hoist that has the possibility to have multiple selectable fixed speed. So until now the world of the chain hoist was divided in fixed speed chain hoist 4 meter per minute or 8 meter per minute and variable speed chain hoist that can go from 0 to 24 or 0 to 28 meter per minute. With this new family we developed something that stays exactly in between. Sometime in the fixed speed chain hoist, the 4 meter per minute is too fast or too slow. In case you need to rig and lift a 5-ton lead wall, the 4 meter per minute can be too much and the shock you give to the structure of the lead wall in lifting up can be problematic. Here, as you can see, I can have a very soft lifting system. Of course, the fact that we introduce an inverter inside the chain hoist gives us the feature to have the multiple selectable speed I just described. But another interesting feature, we leave now the 10 meters, is that I can also decide how many seconds in the acceleration, like I can decide 3.5 seconds in the acceleration and 3.5 seconds in the deceleration. So the end result, I now leave on purpose the 10 meter per minute, will be that the moment I press, you have a very soft start, then the system reaches the 10 meter per minute. When I release, the chain hoist have a very soft stop. Again, another feature that you can get because of the inverter. This is not all. There is also the possibility to control the position of the chain hoist, how it works. At this moment we operate in manual mode. So we tell the chain hoist if we want to go up and down, we tell to the chain hoist the speed we want to achieve, we tell to the chain hoist how much second for the soft start and the soft stop. Here instead we move to another function. So what we do now, we just change, let's say, the acceleration and deceleration. So we just put 0.5 seconds to have quite a prompt acceleration and deceleration. We bring the chain hoist down to the floor. Let's say that we position the chain hoist. Here we are. So the other function we can perform with this system is that I can say to the chain hoist, you are now in zero position, so you are 0 millimeter from the ground. I switch from, let's say, the manual mode to the automatic mode. I give to the system that I want to go to 1 meter, 52 centimeter, 0.7 millimeters, so totally 1527, enter the data. I don't give any more the direction because the system knows that is in zero position and needs to reach this height. Press the button, follow the number. 1527. As you see, what I set is exactly what the system reach. I can do the opposite. I can say to the system, I want you to go back to the 0 position we were before. This is an interesting double check because if something goes wrong, you see the chain noise that go lower than you expect. So it's an interesting test. So we press again. You can see the chain noise is going down very fast, reaching the ground if you remember the position before. And here we are, 0, 0.
And website?
Website is www.exetechnology.com.